Hello everyone and welcome to season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Glowell Prep from St. Catherine going up against Tollgate Primary from Clarendon. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Glowell Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Glowell Prep and Bible knowledge. In which book of the Bible do we first meet Abraham?
Matthew.
Incorrect, it's Genesis. Tollgate. In which book of the Bible do we first meet Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego?
Daniel.
Correct. Glowell. This is international affairs. It's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Spain.
Incorrect, it's Peru. Tollgate. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Chile.
Correct. Science. Glowell. Which form of energy can travel through a vacuum?
Radiation.
Incorrect, it's light or heat. Tollgate. Through what type of material can light pass but will be scattered in different directions?
Translucent.
Incorrect, it's transparent. Television is a visual. Glowell. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Freddie McGregor.
Incorrect, it's Tom Cruise. Tollgate. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Will Smith.
Correct. Glowell. English language. Spell significant.
Significant.
Incorrect. It's significant. Tollgate. Spell substitute.
Mine. SUBSTITITE.
Incorrect. It's SUBSTITUTE. Sports. It's a visual. This is for Glowell Prep. Look at the monitor and identify this West Indies cricketer. Tollgate, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Craig Brathwaite. Tollgate, look at the monitor and identify this West Indies cricketer.
Andre Russell.
Incorrect, it's Jason Holder. General knowledge. Glowell Prep. In which South American country is the famous Maracanã Stadium located?
South American country. Canada. Venezuela.
Incorrect, it's Brazil. Tollgate. In which European country is the famous Arc de Triomphe located?
Italy.
Incorrect, it's France. Social studies. Glowell. In which Caribbean country was Dr. Chedi Jagan a former president?
Dominican Republic.
Incorrect, it's Guyana. Tollgate. In which Caribbean country was Errol Barrow a former prime minister?
Barbados.
That is correct. Music. This is for Glowell. What does the musical term legato mean?
Lively.
Lively.
Incorrect, it's smooth or smoothly. Tollgate, what does the musical term cantabile mean?
Slowly.
Incorrect, it's in a singing style. That brings us to the end of section 1. The scores are Glowell Prep on 0 and Tollgate Primary on 4. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achievo. Monitor your cell phone and social media screen time. Set a maximum limit for each day which you do not exceed. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.